So one of the things I love about Mike with 360 Painting is his passion for the painting industry. If I refer Mike with 360 Painting, it's putting my name and reputation in his hands, and I'm totally comfortable with doing that.
Mike and his team did a fantastic job. I was wowed when I walked in my home to see what a fantastic job they did. They were very quick, reasonably priced, and I highly recommend 360 Painting.
When I met Mike, I thought, wow, I need some painting done. I thought, I'll give him a try. It was on the outside of my building. And I'm telling you what, he had the estimate to me the same day, and he's like, we can get you tomorrow. And I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. I was just surprised it was so quick. They got in, they got out, and 360 Painting did a great job.
No better way to make your home beautiful than to repaint it, either inside or outside. Color brings a vibrance to the house, cabinets, kitchen work, even remodeling, drywall repair, fence and staining. I think homes should be beautiful. It's where families are raised. It's the center of your life. It's where you spend most of your time, and I'd love to do that for you.